Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with EUR-USD currency pair. Jakub Novak presents.
Today, you could plan to buy euro when the price reached 1.0741 and take profit at the price of 1.0780. At 1.0780, you could exit the market as well as sell euro in the opposite direction, counting on the movement of 30-35 points. The euro's upward movement today can only be continued on after very weak US data. Before buying, make sure that the MACD indicator line is above the zero mark and just starting to rise from it. You could also plan to buy euro today in case of two consecutive price tests of 1.0724. At that time, where the MACD indicator will be in the oversold area. This will limit the path's downward potential and lead to an upward reversal of the market. We can expect an increase to the opposite levels of 1.0741 and 1.0780. You could sell euro after reaching the level of 1.0724. And the target will be 1.0687 for bears. You could plan to exit the market and buy euro immediately in the opposite direction on a movement of 20-25 points in the opposite direction from the level. The pressure on the pair will return in case of strong US statistics. Before selling, make sure that the MACD line is below the zero mark and just beginning to decline. You could also plan to sell euro today in case of two consecutive price tests of 1.0741. This will limit the upward potential of the pair when the MACD indicator will be in the overbought area, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0724 and 1.0687.
Here is Laurie Bailey with pound sterling dollar pair forecast. Let's have a look.
Yesterday, the pound tried to reach the target resistance at 1.2745, but lacked external support, so it eventually abandoned this attempt. The Bank of England meeting is scheduled for today. Core CPI rose by 3.5% in the year to May 2024, down from 3.9% in the year to April 2024, while the CPI rose by 2.0% in the 2-month to May 2024, down from 2.3% in the 12 months to April, reaching the target inflation level. However, the BOE is expected to hold interest rates, so the central bank may announce a rate cut at the next meeting on August 1, with a decisive 3-4 votes in favor of a rate cut at today's meeting. On the daily chart, the Marlin oscillator ignored the price growth over the last 3 days and pointed to a bearish reversal, while it's still in the downtrend territory. It's time to be decisive. We expect the pound to fall to the target level of 1.2596, March 1 low, and then to the target level of 1.2517, February low. The support of the Kijun-sen line at 1.2633 currently plays an intermediate role. On the 4-hour chart, the price turned down from the resistance of the balance indicator and Kijun-sen indicator lines. Marlin has entered the bullish territory. and is now trying to return below the zero line. We're waiting for the BOE meeting.
What about USDCAD currency pair? Arif Makmur explains.
With the condition of the Looney's price movement, which is below the MA30 shift 2, and the awesome oscillator indicator, which is below level 0, it has the potential to cause USDCAD to weaken down, where the level of 1.3697 will try to be tested in the near future. If this level is successfully broken below, the level of 1.3679 will become the next target to be aimed at. But if during the weakening journey a correction suddenly occurs where USDCAD strengthens again, especially if it's broken above the 1.3725 level, then all the weakening scenarios that have been described will become invalid and automatically cancel by themselves.
That's all for today. See you online soon.